What does the Satic Power Saver line mean to you?
I love the Satic line of products. I use them in my home, in my office. I discover more and more all the time the health impact that dirty electricity has on people. And I love the product because it protects my family. You know, we have them in our bedroom and in my office. I don't think about it very often, but I always have the pluggers plugged in around my office, and so I don't even have to think about it. But when I plug in an EMI meter and read it without the Pure Power plug-in, you can see I would be bathed in that dirty electricity. See what happens when we take out the filter. You can hear it already.
All right, put it back in.
Instantly quiet.